GAIL declared their Q4 FY13 results. On the net sales front, they were in line with expectations, with most of the segments reporting in line numbers, except for the gas transmission business, where the volumes were lower than our expectations. They were at around 99 MMSCMD as compared to our expectations of around 102, 103 MMSCMD. And while the volumes in the other segments were in line and slightly better than expectations, especially for the petrochemical segment, they were better than what we were expecting. So overall, in terms of operational performance, except for the gas transmission, the number were in line with expectations. However, coming to the realizations front, the gas transmission business saw a sharp fall in transmission tariffs for the natural gas segment. This was mainly on back of the tariff cuts implemented by PNGRB for the KG Basin gas pipeline, and this was implemented retrospectively. So the entire impact was taken in Q4, and that is the reason why even the EBIT margins of the gas transmission segment were much lower than expectations. With regards to other segments, petrochemical segment saw a jump in realizations of around 14%, and LPG and liquid hydrocarbons saw a jump of around 20% in realizations, and the EBIT margins for these segments were also in line. Even for natural gas trading segment, the volumes, realizations and EBIT margins were very much in line with expectations. At the bottom line level, the company reported a PAT of around 618 crores as against our expectation of 1000 crores. This was mainly on back of poor performance at the operating level, with operating margins at just 9.6%. However, higher other income was slightly offsetting, but again, a higher effective tax rate had its own share of negative impact. Going ahead, we expect the natural gas transmission business, which is the core segment for GAIL, will continue to see a lot of pressure both on realizations and the volume front, given that there is no volume recovery in any of the gas fields. So in that terms, the volumes will be under pressure, and so will be the tariffs. Other segments will see a continued better performance on back of higher prices of petrochemicals and better LPG and liquid hydrocarbon realizations if subsidy continues to be at the current levels. However, if gas price hike is implemented, the petrochemical segment will take a dent in terms of margins. So that will be a key thing to be watched. With core business under pressure, we will maintain our market performer rating on GAIL with a target price of around 350-355 rupees. Thank you.